Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to combine two products in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com. If you've not already ever opened up the website, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you want to go ahead and log into your account. After logging into your account, you'll be greeted by the home page where we can access all the options we have such as home, orders, products, and so on. And now we can get started with our products, guys. As you can see, currently in our normal products section, we can find the products that we have. Let's say we have a t-shirt and maybe some other hoodie that we want to combine into one product. This is an easy way to do that. What we want to do is open up the apps section right here. So go ahead and click add apps right here. That's going to enable you to open up the Shopify app store. As you can see, here's my app store where you can get started searching for products and apps you want to use, and you want to search for variants. Guys, after searching for variants, it's going to give you this result right here with a lot of apps that you can use for variants and for combining products. And one I like is this one right here called SC product options. This is going to be your ultimate variant option for product customization. It allows you to add limitless product options and variant images to product pages, and this is going to enable you to combine your products. So you can use this application by clicking the install button. After clicking the install button, you can get started with combining your products into whatever you want. You can select your shapes, sizes, and so on to get your desired product that you can then add to your store. But yeah guys, basically that's what you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.